Welcome to email marketing, where every tag you add unlocks new possibilities. In today's video, we're going to learn about the power of merge tags and how you use them in Mailchimp. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Bryana, and I'm a digital marketing lead at Greyson Enterprises. I currently specialize in web design and email marketing, and I'm here to help you become an email marketer expert. So let's jump right into it. So you're scrolling through Mailchimp and come across merge tags. You might be wondering, what are merge tags? Merge tags are a unique text-based identifier that corresponds to account data, such as audience field. They help make emails more personal and help you target your desired audience. Before using merge tags, keep in mind they are style sensitive, so check for any bolding, italics, or other formatting within your merge tags. Other than that, let's jump right into it. Let's do an example of how to apply a merge tag. First, let's create an email. So click on Create. Then click on Design Email. Firstly, you want to make sure to add your audience. This is crucial since it helps the software recognize what audience you are targeting to. Click on Add Recipients. Then choose your audience. I will choose my audience of Greyson Enterprises. You can filter your audience by segments or tags. Now, if you notice, there's a personalized Send To field button. This can help and make the email more personal and prevent spam filters. Now, if you notice, there's a personalized Send To field. This can help you make the email more personal and prevent spam filters. For my email, I want to personalize it, so I will click the personalized Send To field. Then a merge tag appears on the bottom. You can select any of these or add a custom one. For my email, I'll select the first one, first name. Now, I will click on Save. If you don't have an audience, then you can import or manually register your email subscribers in the audience section of the main menu. After selecting your audience, click on Design Email. Since the purpose of this video is just to show you how merge tags works, I will select the basic one.
Now that you have your email to design, you want to add a text box. We're going to add it under the original text box. Let's type out some words. For example, to introduce and personalize the email, you want to include a merge tag. First, we're going to type out hi, and then we're going to click on merge tag button. Right here, you can select any of the merge tags you'd like, but for the purpose of this video, we're simply going to put first name. Let's add on some filler words. If you want to check out how the email would look on the end user's email, click on Preview button. Then click on Enter Preview Mode. Click on Enable Live Merge Tag Info. From here, you can see their name pops up based on the audience member. Each one changes based on the audience's name. Luckily, Mailchimp has a cheat code to follow by, so you don't have to memorize each merge tag. You can find this guide in the Help Center menu of the Mailchimp website under Merge Tags. It also tells you the function of each merge tag, so you can know exactly which merge tag would suit your best interest. And there you have it. You're finally done with adding a merge tag to your email. You can further personalize it by clicking on the merge tags and selecting any of the merge tags you'd like. Thank you for watching.